Bringing a true cinematic experience into any space has never been easier, and the BenQ LK936ST 4K Ultra HD short-throw laser DLP projector is a prime example of what modern projection technology can do. Short-throw projectors are designed to deliver massive images from a minimal distance, and this model achieves that perfectly, allowing you to place it just a few feet from your wall while still producing a breathtaking 4K image. Whether it's a home theater, office presentation, or gaming setup, the visuals are immersive and detailed. One of the first things you notice is the incredible brightness. The LK936ST uses a laser light source capable of delivering up to 5,000 lumens. This means that even in moderately lit rooms, the picture remains vibrant, colors remain punchy, and detail stays razor sharp. The laser technology provides consistent brightness over its lifespan, which can reach up to 20,000 hours, eliminating the need for frequent replacements and ensuring reliable performance for years. Flexibility in placement is a major advantage. With vertical and horizontal lens shift, keystone correction, and geometric adjustment, the projector can be set up in almost any room configuration. Whether mounted on the ceiling, sitting on a shelf, or positioned on a tabletop, the LK936ST adapts to the environment without compromising image quality. Despite its compact footprint, it can produce images up to 300 inches, giving you that large screen feel without requiring a massive room. Connectivity is robust and future-proof. The projector comes equipped with HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort, and USB ports, making it easy to connect laptops, streaming devices, gaming consoles, or even professional AV setups. For corporate and educational environments, it supports professional control systems like Crestron and AMX, enabling seamless integration into automated setups. For home use, HDR support ensures movies, sports, and video games have deeper contrast, vibrant colors, and richer detail. Color accuracy is a standout feature. Thanks to BenQ's cinematic color technology, this projector delivers a wide color gamut and precise color reproduction, keeping visuals true to the creator's intent. Skin tones appear natural, landscapes are vivid, and textures pop with remarkable clarity. Combined with the 4K DLP chip, every frame is detailed, sharp, and immersive. Whether you're watching films, gaming, or presenting high-resolution content, laser technology also means low maintenance. No bulbs to replace and minimal dimming over time. The system is essentially plug-and-play, and it operates quietly, which is crucial for uninterrupted viewing or presentations. Gamers will find it especially compelling. The LK936ST has low input lag, ensuring fast-paced games feel responsive and smooth. Paired with 4K resolution and high brightness, graphics appear lifelike and detailed, whether on consoles or high-end gaming PCs. This versatility makes it a rare projector capable of handling both professional presentations and high-quality entertainment seamlessly. Design is modern, minimalistic, and functional. While it's not pocket-sized, the sleek matte white finish and clean lines allow it to blend into living rooms, offices, or media rooms without drawing attention away from the content being displayed. In summary, the BenQ LK936ST is a powerful, flexible, and high-performance projector designed to meet the demands of home theaters, gaming setups, and professional environments. It delivers exceptional 4K clarity, rich colors, high brightness, and reliable long-term performance. Its short-throw lens, easy installation features, and versatile connectivity make it suitable for nearly any space. If you want to buy this BenQ LK936ST 4K Ultra HD short-throw laser DLP projector, make sure to check the link in the description. This link takes you to the latest pricing, deals, and availability so you can upgrade your home theater or professional setup quickly and securely. Investing in this projector transforms the way you experience movies, games, and presentations, offering a combination of stunning visuals and practical design that few other projectors can match.